Okay, so here we have a little bit of a different challenge. They're asking us for 3 different answers, okay? And if we look at our data set, we see that we have 2 bigger numbers in the middle, which means this is not arranged from least to greatest. And before we do anything, we need to make sure that our numbers are arranged from least to greatest. So let's go ahead and do that then. Take a little bit of time to rearrange our numbers. Now, you're going to want to do this on a piece of paper when you have your own data set so that you don't get confused and so that we can do this to our best ability. Okay, and now we see here, we're going to bring that 82 down to the side for a second, and we have a couple of the same numbers. We have 48, 48, 57, 57, and that's okay because that's part of our data set. So now we're going to eliminate going from each end. So we have 31, 82. Keep crossing off, do the same amount of cross-offs on each side. We have got 5 cross-offs on the left, and we've got 5 cross-offs on the right, which leaves us 53, right? Which means our median for our whole set is going to be 53. So now we can erase our ink. Let's go back to here. I'm going to do 53, all right? So now we want to figure out what the quartile is, or the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So now we're going to want to split this up a little bit differently, right? So we have our numbers. All right, we'll plug in our numbers again. 53, 54, 57, 57, 75, 82. So we want to split this up down the middle as best as we can again. All right? So what we're going to do is we're going to split right here, okay? We've got about 5 numbers here, 6 numbers on the other side. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to try to cross off, do a process of elimination. And what do we get? We get 47, okay? Since this is our lower quartile, that means then that our median on that side is going to be 47. All right, now we have one more part to figure out here. All right, so now let's look at our upper quartile. Let's do a process of elimination. 1, 1, 2, 2. And what do we get? We get 57 and 57. So what do we do when we have the same number? We'll leave it at that. It's going to be the same number, which means our upper quartile is going to be 57.